Hey guys, it's me, Jeremiah. This is my story time, and this is a story about how we got a tornado warning last night. Here we go. So around like 9 or like 7 or 8, I was on my tablet, and I don't know what I was doing, but I was watching a YouTube video. Check out Zach Goes. He's awesome. And I got something on my tablet saying that the tornado warning. I was like, oh, not bad. Went out there, everything was off. Everything in my house was off. So I was like, what's going on? And then I went to check my tablet, and it said tornado watch. And I was like, I'm confused because there's no tornado watch. I looked on TV because the TV still works, and it says tornado warning. And I'm like, I'm confused. Did it change back? Yes, it did. I have no idea, but I kept saying tornado warning and tornado watch. And I'm like, okay, I'm confused. And then I got a report that a tornado hit Savage, and that was where I used to live. And it probably hit my school. So sorry guys, it's so hard. But as I was saying, the tornado, there's a rotating wall cloud, and it took 2 hours to form. And when they heard about it, they got into like severe shelter stuff. And after that, the sirens went on for 3 or 4 minutes, and I was like, okay, is this real or is this fake? And then I was like, okay, it's real. So we get twisters in the summer, but when it's not the summer, we don't get twisters. Only in spring, summer, and fall. No winter, and yeah. But if you're watching this, guys, and you were in the tornado, I hope you survived. And if you didn't survive, rest in peace to the people that died. It was really sad what happened. And if you have any more questions, comment down below. Ask me in the comments, and yeah, bye.